Welcome to EZ-EDM. Here I'm going to demonstrate a few of EZ-CAM's wizards. First, we're going to create the path for the wire to follow. We call that a curve. Using curve chain, I just double-click a piece of geometry. EZ-CAM flows through the part using connected geometry and stops at endpoints or until the curve is closed. You can, of course, manually create your path by using curve arc move and snap to the endpoints of your geometry. EZ-CAM has what they call a motion record. This gives you the freedom of not having to choose global settings. You can pick a segment of the curve and tell it whether it's going to use cutter comp or a tapered angle for that segment. The next step in the process is to give it a lead in and lead out, your start and end points. You can snap to the center of a circle, which represents a pre-drilled location. You can type in coordinates, or you could snap to the screen. You can create as many tabs as you'd like. I'm going to use EZ-CAM's auto start and end. Simply type in a distance, and EZ-CAM creates one for you. If you go to automation, we have an output start and end locations, which will create a G-code file for you to take to your milling machine to do your pre-drilling. Under machining, you'll find our wizards. I'm going to talk about the new die wizard because the punch wizard shares similar attributes and is very easy to follow. First, pick your strategy, whether you're going to do a main cut, a cutoff, or a finish cut. If you have multiple profiles, we can do it in the same order, but you would choose die 2. Or you can split these up into separate work steps. We have different die types to accommodate for different taper angles and lands. Set your thickness, and we'll set a stop length and a retract length. Now it asks me to select the curves for that die. We'll do a 3D preview, and that would be the result you can expect at the machine. Next, I'm going to demonstrate a 4-axis wire path. We'll create our curves, and now our base curve. We go to the machining menu and data, and this information is behind every wizard. So if you use the wire comp, you can choose to use the record that we talked about earlier. There's also a wire table, and we're going to add our base curve. And it's that simple. Next, I'm going to show you 4-axis wire on a solid model. Simply go to the automation menu and auto create XYUV work step. It wants me to pick the lower point on the model and then the upper point. And it's as simple as that. This concludes our video. I thank you for watching.